Welcome everyone, this is Dr. Anglina D'costa, urologist and men's health specialist. Thank you for joining me today. I truly appreciate you taking time for your health, because every small step you take today can change your life tomorrow. So many men silently struggle with weak blood flow, low energy, and performance issues, but feel too embarrassed to talk about it. I want you to know, you are not alone, and there is nothing to be ashamed of. In today's session, I'm going to share a simple natural solution that can support instant improvement in blood circulation and help you feel stronger, more confident, and more in control of your body again. This method is safe, easy to use, and has helped many of my patients experience real change. So stay with me till the end of this video, because I believe every man deserves a healthy, powerful life. Let's begin this journey together, with positivity and hope. Before we dive in, let me quickly ask you to support this channel. Give this video a like, drop a comment below telling me where you are watching from, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss my latest men's health updates. Let's get started. Firstly, let's understand now why blood flow weakens in men, especially after the age of 40. This is something I see every single day in my clinic, and it affects more men than you can imagine. As men get older, the blood vessels naturally begin to stiffen, reducing the smooth flow of blood throughout the body. On top of that, stress, lack of sleep, unhealthy diet, smoking, alcohol, and low physical activity all make the arteries narrow and weak. When blood cannot flow freely, the heart and other important organs do not receive the oxygen and nutrients they need. Another major reason is the drop in testosterone levels, which begins slowly after the age of 30. When testosterone decreases, energy levels fall, muscle strength reduces, and circulation becomes sluggish. Many men also develop high blood pressure, diabetes, or cholesterol issues, which further damage the inner lining of blood vessels. So if you often feel tired, weak, or experience poor performance and low confidence, please understand, it's not your fault. It is a combination of natural aging and lifestyle factors happening inside the body. But the good news is, there are safe and natural ways to support stronger blood flow again, and that is exactly what we are going to discuss today. Stay with me, because solutions are coming. Now in this section, let's talk about the early signs of poor circulation that many men ignore, thinking it's just normal tiredness or aging. In reality, these are warning signals that the body needs help. One of the first signs is feeling low energy or fatigue, even after a full night's sleep. When blood flow is weak, the body does not receive enough oxygen, so everything feels harder than it should. Another common sign is cold hands and feet, or a numb or tingling sensation in the legs. This means the blood is not reaching the outer parts of the body properly. Many men also notice cramps or heaviness in the legs, especially while walking or standing for longer periods. For many men, weak circulation shows up as slow recovery after exercise or reduced stamina during physical activity. And of course, one of the most sensitive indicators is difficulty maintaining performance and strength in intimate moments, because blood flow is the foundation for that part of a man's life. Some men also notice poor sleep, headaches, dizziness, or weak concentration because the brain isn't getting enough blood supply. If you recognize one or more of these signs, please take them seriously. The body speaks to us, we just need to listen. But please don't worry. With the right natural support and lifestyle changes, blood flow can improve dramatically. Now let's talk about the part many of you have been waiting for, the natural powder remedy that can help support instant improvement in blood flow. In my experience as a urologist, many men benefit greatly from certain natural nitric oxide boosting ingredients that help relax the blood vessels and improve circulation quickly. One of the most effective forms is a fine natural powder that you place directly under your tongue, also known as the sublingual method. The powder I recommend is L-arginine powder, a natural amino acid that the body uses to produce nitric oxide, the key molecule responsible for opening and relaxing blood vessels. When blood vessels relax, circulation improves, allowing stronger blood flow to the heart and other important areas of the body. When L-arginine is taken under the tongue, it absorbs faster and may support quicker results compared to swallowing capsules or tablets. Many men report feeling more energetic, more confident, and experiencing better physical performance and stamina. Some people also combine it with L-citrulline or beetroot powder, both of which are also known for naturally increasing nitric oxide levels. But if you are new to this, L-arginine powder alone is a great place to start. Please remember, this is a natural supplement, not a medication. It should be used responsibly, and only as a supportive tool. If you have heart disease, high blood pressure, or take medication for any medical condition, speak with your doctor before starting. I am sharing this because many men silently struggle with circulation, and simple, natural support like this can make a meaningful difference. In the next part, I will explain how to take it correctly and the best time for maximum benefits. Stay with me, you are doing something positive for your health. In this section, I will explain why placing this powder under the tongue is so important and why it works more effectively than simply swallowing it. When you put a natural supplement, like L-arginine powder under the tongue, it enters the body through the sublingual blood vessels, which are located right beneath the tongue. These vessels are very thin and absorb nutrients directly into the bloodstream. That means the powder does not go through the stomach or liver first, avoiding the long and slow digestion process. Because of this direct entry, the body can use the ingredient much faster, allowing quicker support for blood flow and nitric oxide production. Many men feel the difference in a shorter time, compared to tablets or capsules that must break down in the digestive system. This method is especially helpful for men who want faster absorption and quicker results, have weak digestion or slow metabolism, need support during physical activity or intimate moments. Another benefit is that you can use a smaller amount, because the body doesn't lose part of the supplement during digestion, making it more efficient and gentle. So, when you hear me recommend the sublingual method, understand that it is based on science and practical results, not guesswork. It is a smart, safe, and effective way to help your body get what it needs without stress. In the next segment, I'll explain how to take it correctly and the best time of day for the strongest benefits. Stay with me, you are learning something that can truly help your health and confidence. Next, I will discuss in a simple and clear way how this natural powder works once it enters your body. When you place L-arginine powder under your tongue, it is absorbed straight into the bloodstream. From there, your body uses it to produce something called nitric oxide, a natural chemical that plays a crucial role in controlling blood flow. Nitric oxide works like a signal that tells your blood vessels to relax and open wider, allowing blood to move more freely and with stronger pressure. When blood circulation improves, more oxygen and nutrients reach your heart, muscles, brain, and intimate areas. That means better energy, better physical performance, better stamina, and a noticeable boost in overall strength and confidence. For many men, low nitric oxide levels are the hidden reason behind weakness, fatigue, slow recovery, and poor performance. As we age, stress and lifestyle reduce nitric oxide production, causing blood vessels to stiffen and tighten. This is why so many men begin to struggle without understanding what is happening inside their bodies. By supporting nitric oxide naturally, this powder helps restore smooth and healthy circulation, giving your body the chance to function at its best again, without heavy medication or side effects. That is the science behind the results many men feel after using this method responsibly. Now let's talk about the benefits you may experience when blood flow improves naturally, with the help of L-arginine powder and increased nitric oxide levels. Q. One of the first things many men notice is a boost in overall energy. When blood circulates smoothly, every cell in the body receives more oxygen and nutrients, which means your muscles and organs work more efficiently. Tasks that once felt tiring or heavy begin to feel easier and lighter. Another important benefit is better physical performance and stamina. When your blood flow is strong, the heart pumps more effectively, and your muscles receive what they need to stay active longer without getting exhausted quickly. For many men, this means better exercise results, better endurance, and more motivation to stay active. Improved circulation also supports mental clarity and focus, because the brain receives a stronger supply of oxygen-rich blood. Many men tell me they feel more awake, more positive, and more confident throughout the day. Of course, one of the most meaningful areas where strong blood flow makes a difference is intimate performance. Healthy circulation is the foundation of strength, firmness, and control in intimate moments. When blood flow improves, men often experience renewed confidence and a more satisfying experience with their partner. And finally, when the body functions smoothly, stress levels decrease, and sleep quality improves, which creates a cycle of better health and stronger performance in every area of life. So yes, improving your blood flow is not just about one part of your body, it benefits your whole life, energy, strength, confidence, and happiness. Now that you understand how this natural powder works, let me guide you on how to take it correctly so you can receive the maximum benefit safely. First, take a small measured amount, usually around 1/2 teaspoon, but always check the product instructions or consult your doctor if you have medical conditions. Place the powder directly under your tongue and let it dissolve slowly. Do not swallow immediately, allow it to sit there for about 60 to 90 seconds, so it can absorb through the sublingual blood vessels. For best results, use it on an empty stomach, ideally in the morning or about 25 to 30 minutes before physical activity or exercise. If you are using it for intimate confidence and performance, taking it a little before that moment may offer helpful support. Avoid taking it with caffeine or heavy meals, because these can reduce absorption. Drink a glass of water afterward to stay hydrated. Hydration is a key part of improving blood flow naturally. If you are new to this supplement, start with a smaller amount, monitor how your body feels, and increase gradually only if needed. Never exceed recommended usage, and always follow safe practice. If you have heart conditions, blood pressure medication, or diabetes, please talk to your doctor before using any supplement. Safety always comes first. Consistency is important. Using it regularly along with healthy habits, like daily walking, deep breathing, and reducing stress will give you better long-term results than expecting instant miracles. Remember, this is a support tool, not a replacement for medical care or a shortcut solution. Your body deserves gentle and balanced care. In the next segment, I will share safety precautions and who should avoid using this supplement. Stay with me, your health is worth every minute. Before using any supplement, safety should always come first. So let me share some important precautions to make sure you use this natural powder responsibly and in a healthy way. Although L-arginine powder is natural and widely used, it is not suitable for everyone. If you have heart disease, low blood pressure, kidney problems, or if you are taking medication for blood pressure, diabetes, or nitrates for chest pain, please consult your doctor before starting. Mixing supplements with certain medications can cause unwanted reactions, and your safety is more important than anything else. Do not exceed the recommended amount. More is not better. Taking too much can cause side effects, such as stomach discomfort, headaches, or dizziness. Always begin with a small dose to see how your body responds. Avoid taking it right after heavy meals, alcohol, or caffeine, because these can interfere with absorption and reduce effectiveness. Also, if you experience any unusual symptoms or discomfort, stop using it and seek medical advice. This supplement is not intended for teenagers or individuals under 18, and it should not be used as a replacement for professional treatment or prescribed medication. Remember, supplements are support, not a shortcut or miracle. A healthy lifestyle, including balanced diet, good sleep, regular exercise, and stress control, is the real foundation of strong circulation and overall performance. I care about your health, and I want every man to make informed, safe, and confident decisions about his body. Always prioritize safety and listen to your body's signals. Now let's talk about something every man wants to know: how soon can you expect results? The truth is, every body responds differently based on health, age, lifestyle, and consistency. However, many men, who use L-arginine powder under the tongue correctly, report feeling a noticeable difference in energy and circulation within 20 to 30 minutes. That is because the sublingual method allows faster absorption into the bloodstream. For some men, the first change they feel is lighter breathing, warmer hands and feet, and increased alertness, which are signs that blood flow is improving. When used regularly, most individuals notice improvement in stamina, strength, and performance within 7 to 14 days of consistent use, especially when combined with healthy habits like walking, hydration, and quality sleep. For deeper improvements in cardiovascular strength and long-term performance, it may take 3 to 4 weeks. Good results come to those who are patient and consistent, not those searching for instant miracles. It's important to remember, supplements support the body, they do not replace healthy routines. Your lifestyle choices play a major role in how fast you see changes. Small improvements add up to big transformations over time. So be patient, stay committed, and listen to your body. I've seen many men regain their confidence and vitality simply by taking the right step consistently, and you can too. You deserve to feel strong, active, and alive again. Keep going, I'm cheering for your success. Bonus tips for all my viewers: while supplements like L-arginine powder can offer valuable support for improving blood flow, the strongest and longest lasting results always come from a healthy lifestyle. So let me share a few simple, practical habits that can make a powerful difference in your everyday performance and overall well-being. First, move your body daily. Even a 20 to 30 minute walk can increase circulation, strengthen the heart, and boost nitric oxide naturally. You don't need a gym to stay active, consistent movement is what matters most. Second, hydrate well. Most men don't drink enough water, and dehydration makes blood thicker and harder to circulate. Aim to sip water throughout the day, not all at once. Clear, light-colored urine is a good sign you're hydrated. Next, focus on real foods. Include leafy greens, beetroot, pomegranate, garlic, and citrus fruits, because these nourish your blood vessels and naturally support nitric oxide levels. Reduce sugar, fried food, and processed snacks, as they inflame blood vessels and weaken circulation. Prioritize good sleep. Deep rest repairs blood vessels, balances hormones, and restores energy. Aim for 7 to 8 hours, and avoid screens at least 30 minutes before bed to help your mind unwind. Managing stress is also important. High stress tightens blood vessels and crushes performance. Practice deep breathing, meditation, or simply spend quiet time away from noise. Even 5 minutes can calm the nervous system and improve circulation. And finally, limit smoking and alcohol, as they damage blood vessels and slow nitric oxide production. Reducing them can make a noticeable difference in just a few weeks. Remember, supplements are helpers, but your daily habits are the foundation. Combine both and you will see real, lasting improvements in energy, strength, performance, and confidence. Take charge of your health, your body will reward you. So there you have it, viewers. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you found value in this information, and it helped you understand your health better, please support this channel by liking the video, sharing it with someone who needs it, and subscribing for more honest and practical guidance. Your support encourages me to keep creating helpful content for men's health and overall well-being. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of my upcoming videos. Together, we can build a stronger, healthier, and more confident community. Stay blessed, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.